Hey folks, here's your pro tip of the week. So when you are calibrating your AI assistant, it will learn and adapt to the scores and the feedback that you leave. So as you edit the feedback and the scores, the AI is going to adapt to you and calibrate with you. But there's an even easier way to do this if you notice something while you're grading that you really want the AI to stick to. So here's an example of that. I'm grading these long essay questions for AP US History, a subject near and dear to my heart. And for contextualization, the AI actually originally got this wrong. So it gave the student the point, but there's some nuance that it missed that's not even in the rubric. So contextualization has to be 2 or 3 sentences. It has to come before the time period 1840 to 1890 for this question. You should never give credit if it's only 1 sentence. So I actually just want to tell the AI assistant that the way I would tell a teaching assistant that if we were grading side by side. So I'll come up here to the options menu. I'll put edit AI instructions. And I'm simply going to say all of that to the AI very explicitly. Then I'm going to save, and when I approve and go to the next one, now the AI is going to tether even more closely to my instructions. And you'll notice a couple of things here. You provide sufficient context by describing limitations when faced before 1890 and noting the beginnings of the suffrage movement. It's 2 to 3 sentences, and this is why the student is earning the point. And so I would want to double check that it's getting this right. This is only the second submission that I've graded on this batch, but this helps align the AI the way it would a teacher's assistant. I can describe the instructions. I certainly want to check and coach it to apply those instructions properly. And as I do so, it will get calibrated and be able to extend my knowledge and expertise even better. That's all for this week. Hope you enjoyed. Feel free to reach out with any questions.